everyone, good morning from the Magic Kingdom. Today I'm here to check out the Halloween decorations one last time before the holiday season takes over and you see the Christmas tree and all of Main Street lit up. It's gonna be awesome this year. And today's a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, so I kind of wanted to see what the crowd level is like today. I'm hoping for some very low crowds, but without any further ado, let's go and have a real awesome day here at Magic Kingdom. Don't let these clouds fool you. It's still very hot here in Orlando. It's actually very humid right now. And you might be thinking because the clouds are a little darker right now, it is a little colder. It's not. It's just very humid. So I don't know what's going on. Just be prepared that if you're going into November, the last couple of days in October are still very, very warm. Look at Tigger. Here comes Pooh. Look at him. So we made it to Storybook Circus, and right across from the Barnstormer, there's a Fantasyland station where the train runs. So we're gonna go check that out right now. You can see they're working on the Tron ride over there. They have like some construction going on right now. We might go over to the People Mover and check that out later, but right here is where the train comes. And it started sprinkling a little bit, but I don't think they've seen anything new. I've never been on the train actually, so we're super excited to be getting on that when they reopen, which I'm hoping is very soon because I'm excited and I can't wait. We're getting on the People Mover. It was like a 5-minute wait. The little ramp that brings you up suddenly stopped so fast my knees buckled. One. Thank you. My knees buckled so bad I almost died. But I'm okay. Good times.
You're guided aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing.
Progress is coming along pretty good. Looks like it's almost finished. Adding like the cement right here. I guess they're also changing this store. It used to be like a phone case like place where you can buy your phone cases. I don't know if you can still go through it actually. Oh, no you can't. But you would be able to buy like merchandise in here. I wonder if they're actually going to change all the merch, or maybe they might theme it to Tron. I don't know.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority.
Just kind of standing around the hub. You guys can see there's not a lot of people today, which is surprising but not surprising because they do close at 6 o'clock for Mickey's Not So Scary, and it is like sprinkling and kind of rainy today, so it might discourage people from coming, but not a bad day to come. The People Mover was like less than a 5-minute wait. We haven't really gotten any snacks, but the lines for like food haven't really been long either, so it's a good day today. Even though it's like a little cloudy and a little humid, it is getting a little chilly, but not like too much to the point where you can actually wear like your sweaters and stuff. You can see people are wearing their ponchos, but not a bad day here at the Magic Kingdom. So now we're gonna head through Adventureland, cause I did see on the Disney World app that Big Thunder was a 20-minute wait. So let's head over there right now. It's not looking like 20 minutes to me, because once the line starts to back up all the way to this side, right by the entrance, it's kind of like a 40 to 45-minute wait. So I'm assuming it's a 40-minute wait. So I don't know. I'm still gonna try to get on. So let's do this. I got the front. Oh my goodness. hurts. My body hurts. Bye, Halloween decorations. See you next year. I'll miss you. Even though you start super early in August, I feel like it wasn't enough time. Oh look, the Dapper Dans are performing. Goodbye, Mickey Pump. There's no Mickey Pumpkin here. Maybe next year they'll put it. I don't know. I like these like scarecrow skeletons. I hope they come back next year too. Aww. I'm kind of sad that Halloween is ending, but I'm really excited that Christmas is coming. Or the holidays, I should say. But yeah. One last look. See you real soon. So we've come to an end to a real awesome day here at the Magic Kingdom. By the way, I saw the video of the Big Thunder Railroad ride, and those girls mean photobombed me. It's all good though, it's kind of funny. But we had a really good time here at the Magic Kingdom. I'm excited for the holiday season to come, even though I'm really sad that the Halloween season is ending. Super excited for what's to come. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you know when we upload next. But thank you guys for watching me. Reel in the magic. Bye.